It is so cold and it is May and I'm going to pick up my son from the Tagesmutter, or I guess daycare as we might say in English. And this weather is absolutely insane. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I promised you I was gonna bring some more vlog style formatted videos, and that is exactly what I'm doing. Hopefully I'll start making some shorter videos for you guys to just get a better understanding of what life is like for me, at least here in Germany. Otherwise, I still really like the long style videos that I have been creating to kind of really dive deep into those culture shocks. However, sometimes it's just fun to roam through the city and talk about life, huh? Oh my goodness, guys, it is the end of May, like almost beginning of June, which also means that we are gaining sunlight right now, but in less than a few weeks we are going to be losing it. And I can see my breath. You probably can't see it. It's so cold. So I guess what I wanted to ask the Germans is this typical weather for Germany? Because I've been living here for the last 7 years and we have had like incredible, amazing summers that start in March. And now I feel like year after year, the weather's getting worse and worse and worse, and our summers are getting shorter and I just can't handle it. I'm happy that the leaves are green and it's all lush and beautiful in spring right now, but I'm pretty sure it's snowed or hailed like at least 5 times this month. It is absolutely insane. And I have to admit that summers in Germany have been amazing, but winters and falls in Germany are awful. Spring is beautiful too. And I can't take another season being super rainy. By the way, I've made a video before where I talk about things that you don't need to bring to Germany. One of them being a winter parka, and I do stand by that. But I just wanted to show you that this is like my go-to outfit. My wellies and my fleece lined rain jacket, because the weather here in Germany can be insane, which means the best thing to do is layer up because it can be warm, it can be cold, and it can be hella rainy, especially if you live in the north. So if you want to know a good time to come to Germany, typically I would say that my favorite months here in Germany are April and May, but April and May this year have really just like taken a turn for the worse. Of course, the weatherman just decided to make it happen during the middle of a pandemic when everybody is just itching to get outside. However, typically April and May are usually the most beautiful months in my mind to come and visit this beautiful rainy Germany. But apparently not this year. So fingers crossed for summer this year. Otherwise, I also like to say that as a North American coming from Canada, I find German summers to be quite mild and really enjoyable. You can expect temperatures of like 25 to 27 degrees Celsius. Some summers in the last years have been quite insane, going up to like 35, 40. But in comparison to Canada, the weather is nothing like Canada. In Canada, we have very drastic cold winters and very harsh, hot summers. So usually Germany tends to be a milder climate, and when not, then well, you always come layered and dressed for success. Also, I know I'm a little shaky today. I do have a gimbal and I will be using my gimbal next time, but I have lent it to a friend and don't have it back quite yet. So it's been a year, so I have to get back to learning how this technological world works. That is all for me. Vielen lieben Dank und wie immer, bis später.